Dear students, if you find my videos helpful, please subscribe my channel, press bell icon and then press all to get the notifications to my new videos. Also like, comment and share to your friends. Thank you. Question number 1. A truck traveling at 20 km per hour due north turns west and travels with the same speed. The change in its velocity is, these are the options. So, solution to question 1. Here this is east, west, north, south. Suppose this is x axis and this is y axis. Velocity is v1 is 20 km per hour due north. Due north means this is v1, 20 km per hour. v1 is 20 km j kilometer per hour. Then it travels west. West means this side. V2 is minus 20 I unit vector in negative x direction. Then we have to find the velocity change. So v2 minus v1 will be equal to minus 20 I minus, this is v1, minus v1 will be in opposite direction. This is minus v1 minus v1 is 20 j unit vector. Therefore, velocity change will be minus 20 I plus j unit vector, and its magnitude will be equal to v2 minus v1 will have magnitude minus 20 square plus minus 20 square means 400 plus 400, that is 20 root 2 kilometer per hour, and the direction will be between west and south, west or southwest, southwest. So the correct option will be D. Next question number 2. A body is moving with velocity 30 meter per second towards east. After 10 seconds its velocity becomes 40 meter per second towards north. The average acceleration of the body is. Solution to question 2. Here east, west, north, south. Suppose this is x axis, this is y axis. The body is moving with velocity 30 meter per second towards east. Towards east means v1 is 30 I unit vector. Then after 10 seconds its velocity becomes 40 meter per second towards north. v2 is 40 j unit vector. Acceleration will be equal to velocity change upon time taken. Velocity change is 40 j minus 30 I upon 10 second. Zero zero cancels out. This gives 4 j minus 3 I. Therefore, B2 minus B1 mod will be equal to under root 4 square plus minus 3 square means 25 root 25, that is 5 meter per second square. So the correct option will be 5 meter per second square. Option number B. Question number 3. Three concurrent forces of same magnitude are in equilibrium. What is the angle between the forces? Name the triangle formed by the forces. Solution to question 3. Theta is given by 360 upon n. Here n is 3. So 360 upon 3 means 120 degree. These three forces, equal forces F can be represented by this is F1 is equal to F, F2 is equal to F, F3 is equal to F. So this is equilateral triangle where this is 120 degree, this is 120 degree, and this angle is 120 degree. So the correct option will be (120° equilateral triangle. Angle between the forces is 120 degree and the triangle formed by them is equilateral triangle. Next question number 4. The question is, the vectors A and B lie in a plane and vector C lies outside of this plane. The resultant A vector plus B vector plus C vector is, these are the options. Here these three vectors are non-coplanar vectors, therefore the resultant will be 0 only when there are 4 vectors, and so this option is not correct because A and B are in one plane and C is out of plane. This is not correct. This cannot be 0 is correct because non-coplanar vectors give 0 resultant only when there are 4 vectors. Therefore, the correct option will be B. Next question number 5. Y component of velocity is 20 and x component of velocity is 10. The direction of motion of the body with horizontal at this instant is here Solution to question 5. Here B is given to be x component is 10, so 10I plus y component is 20j. Therefore, tan theta, angle between the velocity and horizontal, then tan theta will be equal to b y upon b x, that is 20 upon 10 is equal to 2. Therefore, theta will be equal to tan inverse of 2. So, the correct option will be B. Next question number 6. A particle has displacement of 12 meter towards east, 5 meter towards north, and then 6 meter towards upwards. That is solution to question 6. Suppose this is x, y and z axis. S1 is 12 meter towards east. This is east and north. S1 is equal to 12 meter or 12I unit vector. S2 is 5j unit vector meter, and S3 is 6 meter or 6k unit vector meter. The sum of these displacements will be, so S will be equal to S1 vector plus S2 vector plus S3 vector, that is 12I plus 5j plus 6k unit vector. Therefore, the magnitude of displacement will be equal to 12 square plus 5 square plus 6 square, which gives 144 plus 25 plus 36, that is under root 205, which is 14.31 meter. So, the correct option will be C. Next question number 7. The resultant of the forces 3 Newton and 2 Newton inclined at angle theta is R. When the first force is made 6 Newton, the resultant force becomes 2R. The angle theta has value. Solution to question 7. Initially, R will be equal to under root 3 square plus 2 square plus 2 3 into 2 cos theta, where theta is the angle between these two forces. This gives 9 plus 4, 13 plus 4, 3, 12 cos theta. Squaring both sides, we get R square is equal to 13 plus 12 cos theta, and when first force is made 6 Newton, then resultant becomes 2R. 2R is equal to under root 6 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 6 into 2 cos theta. This gives 36 plus 40, 36 plus 4 means 40 plus 24 cos theta, or squaring both sides we get 4 square is equal to 40 plus 24 cos theta, or dividing by 4 we get means r square is equal to 10 plus 6 cos theta. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equating 1 and 2 we get equating 1 and 2 we get 13 plus 12 cos theta is equal to 10 plus 6 cos theta, which gives 3 is equal to minus 6 cos theta. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, theta will be equal to cos inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, the correct option will be D. Next question, question number 8. A plane is revolving around Earth with speed of 100 km per hour at a constant height from Earth's surface. The change in velocity as it travels a half circle is, these are the options. Solution to question 8. This is half circle. Velocity at this point has magnitude v, and velocity at this point has magnitude v. Total angle is theta is 180 degree. Therefore, change in velocity will be equal to velocity is equal to delta v is equal to 2v sin theta by 2, means 2 into v is 100 sin 180 by 2 means sin 90. So 200 sin 90, that is 200 kilometer per hour. So the correct option will be C. Question number 9. A scooter going due east at 10 meter per second turns right through 90 degree. If the speed of the scooter remains unchanged during taking turn, the change in velocity will be, these are the options. Solution to question 9. Here, this is east, west, north, south. Initially, V1 is 10 meter per second along this side, and then it takes a turn at 90 degree with same speed 10 meter per second. Then the change in velocity will be, this is plus 10 meter per second, this is negative axis minus 10 meter per second. Change in velocity will be delta V is equal to V2 minus V1. This is V2, V1 will be equal to minus V1 will be, this will be minus V1 with same magnitude. The angle between V2 and V1 is 90 degree. Therefore, this can be written as 2V sin theta means 90 by 2. This is 2 into 10 into sin 45, so 20 into 1 upon root 2, which can be written as 10 root 2, which is 14.14 meter per second. So the correct option will be D. Direction will be in between these two. This will be the direction of delta V.